Welcome back to the formerly known show. And I got a couple more unboxings for AEW Unrivaled. This is from Series 3. Orange Cassidy and Pac. The bastard Pac, as they call him in the show. But yeah, we'll be checking these guys out today. First up, I'll do Orange Cassidy. I always like that they put a version of their signature on there. It's not their actual, they signed it, it's just a print though. But I just like, you can see what their autograph looks like. And here's in the package. Comes with a couple extra hands. He's got plastic on his forehead. That's a good plastic. Holy jeez. So if you can see that. Weird. I don't know why they put plastic on his forehead like that. But yeah, it comes with his signature sunglasses. Then his shirt has his own face on it. And then the big seller for this one is the hands in the pockets. See, you can put his hands in his pocket. This one could go in, but he needs to put on that hand there. People have been curious as to how he puts his hands in his pockets, and it's kind of just like there's like a space inside his body, so it's just a soft rubber that he can just slide his hand right in his pocket easily. Gave him his one knee pad look. It's got his sneakers that he wears in the ring. Really good detail on this guy. Take his jacket off, see how. Okay, so to keep his jacket closed, well, you can't take the jacket off. Okay, so the jacket is sewn to the shirt. You can take it off. What am I saying? So it comes off right there. So his shirt's just like a bib. Easy enough. There he is, Orange Cassidy. Here, we'll put his other hand on. Because when I display him, we're probably going to have his hands in his pockets anyways. So we just get that one in. There we go. Orange Cassidy with hands in his pockets. I'm going to display him with the coat though. So if you can see here, I got my previous AEW figures that I unboxed. I have them set up, so it's gotta be a nice addition to the collection. Next up, we got the Bastard Pac. Pac, however you want to say it. Oh, look at that. He has quite the crazy autograph there. So we got Pac, Orange Cassidy, Darby Allin. Don't care to get Rio, and I don't care about the Young Bucks. So if I see them in stores, like I said before, I might get them. I'm not sure though. So this guy comes with the first AEW chair. He also comes with an extra head with this hair in front of his face. Comes with some, he has his knee pads, trunks, and his little armband. Looks like a good figure. Looks like him. The way he looks on TV. Let's see how he is with his other head. Oh, he looks more badass with that one. Don't you think? Yeah, I'm gonna keep him with this head. Let's check out this chair. Yeah, just a bit of a different design from the WWE style chairs that Mattel has. Yeah, it's a little different. It's got a bunch of moving parts. Fold it up. You get boom, 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 boom. On it back when you're playing. Whatever you want to do. Yeah, sit in it. Although they don't usually sit in chairs. There you go. And there we go. We got Orange Cassidy and the Bastard Pac unboxed. So some really good additions to the AEW Unrivaled collection.